Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series, and today I'm going to be talking about the treble clef. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find loads to help you there. But today we're particularly looking at the treble clef, which I think is perhaps the prettiest symbol in music notation, which is perhaps a reason why it explains how it features so heavily in the merchandise market. So let's have a closer look at the treble clef. Now the treble clef deals with notes that are in the higher pitch range. So it's flutes, oboes, clarinets, high register in the piano, that sort of register. We'll just have a quick crack at it and then we'll look at it in a little bit more detail. It's sometimes known as the G clef because it begins on and it's based around this G line here, which represents the note G in the treble clef, but it's more commonly known as the treble clef. So we spiral round and round like a Swiss roll, about 2 lines worth in height. Hook over, loop the loop at the top, and then straight down like an umbrella. It's a little bit tricky, and you can see how perhaps some of the great composers have struggled with this symbol. Here we go, this is Elgar. That's a pretty shocking example, isn't it? And let's see how Beethoven does. This is Beethoven's treble clef. So they're pretty scruffy, bit of a half a job there. So let's have a look at how to draw this a bit more neatly than perhaps they have done. If it is that you're not feeling too confident about it straight away, if you go to my website, if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets. They're available in US letter or A4. And if you look at the grade 1 PDF documents, you'll find in section D some faintly drawn treble clefs that you can trace over. So if you want to have a go at tracing those first of all, then please do go to those PDF documents and that will help you. However, let's have a little go. So we begin on this second line, which is the note G in the treble clef, which is why it's sometimes called the G clef. And our first job is the dot on the line and then a little bit of a spiral round. Let's take that a step further. So we'll continue the spiral round like a jam roly-poly. It's about 2 lines in depth we've gone round. It's not overly critical. And so let's carry on again. So round and round, keep going round, and then now we're going to hook over at the top. That's the tricky bit done. So pretty. Hook over, loop the loop straight down the centre like an umbrella. You bisect down that dot and then a little hook on the end. Let's have another go. It takes a little bit of practice. Round and round we go. Loop the loop. Straight down the centre. And that's the treble clef. I hope that you've enjoyed that. If that's helpful to you, if you can give me a like, that'd be fab. And subscribe to my channel so you can keep updated. There's loads more to come. We're going to be looking at the notes of the treble clef in another video, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.